Nature's giants, the biggest flowers on earth. But before I start, I would like to welcome all my dear friends to my channel. Meet the three biggest flowers: Rafflesia, Arum, and Talipot palm. Rafflesia, the world's largest and smelliest flower. Deep in the heart of the Southeast Asia's rainforest lies a mysterious flower, one that doesn't have leaves, stem or even roots. It's massive, rare and smells like rotting flesh. Meet the Rafflesia, the world's largest and strangest flower. Time for some interesting facts. It blooms only once in a lifetime, after 30 to 80 years, and then dies. The flower only lasts for 5 to 7 days before it wilts and rots away. Let's talk about the size. It can grow up to 3 feet in diameter and weigh around 15 pounds. The large fleshy flowers of Rafflesia emit a strong unpleasant odor resembling rotting meat which attracts carrion flies for pollination. Rafflesia is parasitic in nature. It obtains nutrients and water from its host vine, a member of the Tetrastigma genus grapevine family. Many Rafflesia species are facing extinction due to habitat loss and fragmentation, with some classified as critical endangered. Do you know, Rafflesia lacks visible roots, stem or leaves, with only the flower appearing above ground. Let's talk about the pollination. Carrion flies are the primary pollinators of Rafflesia, drawn to the flower's scent to lay their eggs in the decaying flower. Rafflesia is considered as a national treasure because it is the official state flower and is also the state flower of Sabah, Malaysia. It is extremely rare and difficult to find. It is mainly found in the rainforest of Southeast Asia, mainly in Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand and the Philippines. It produces giant seeds, which are spread by the forest animals like tree shrews and rodents, which unknowingly transport them to the host vines. So what do you think? Would you ever want to see this flower in person? Or maybe even smell it? Let me know in the comment section. Deep in the heart of the jungle, hidden among towering trees, lies a plant so rare and mysterious that people travel across the world just to witness its bloom. But when it does, something strange happens. The air fills with the stench of death. It is the Titan Arum, one of the nature's most bizarre and fascinating wonders. So let's discuss about the world's tallest and smelliest flower. Sharing some facts. Tallest unbranched inflorescence. It can grow up to 10 feet, that is 3 meters in height, making it the tallest unbranched flowering structure in the world. The plant emits a foul odor similar to decaying meat to attract pollinators like carrion beetles and flesh flies. It blooms only once every 7 to 10 years and the flower lasts for just 24 to 48 hours before wilting. This unique plant is found in tropical rainforest where it thrives in warm and humid conditions. The flower generates heat, a process called thermogenesis, to help spread its smell further and attract pollinators. One leaf can be as large as a tree when not flowering. It produces a single enormous leaf that can reach 20 feet tall and resembles a small tree. A flower that smells like death blooms once in every 10 years and vanishes in just a day. Titan Arum is truly one of the nature's most mysterious creations. Would you ever want to see or smell one in real life? Let me know. Next is Talipot palm flower. A tree that blooms once then dies. Imagine waiting decades, 20, 50, even 80 years just to witness a single bloom, and then when it finally happens, it's one of the grandest floral displays on earth. But there's a catch. After this breathtaking moment, the tree dies. This is the story of the Talipot palm, the flower that spends a lifetime preparing for its final goodbye. Some fascinating facts. It is one of the largest flowers in the world. The Talipot palm produces the largest inflorescence of any plant, reaching 26 feet, that is 8 meters tall, with millions of tiny flowers. Blooms only once in a lifetime. This palm is monocarpic, meaning it blooms only once, usually after 30 to 80 years before dying. Native to South Asia. It is primarily found in India, Sri Lanka, Thailand, and the Maldives, thriving in tropical climates. The tree itself can reach heights of 82 feet, that is equivalent to 25 meters, making it one of the tallest palms. Symbol of patience and longevity. Yes, because of its long life and rare blooming, it is often associated with endurance, resilience, and wisdom. It is used in traditional culture. In ancient times, Talipot palm leaves were used for writing scriptures and manuscripts in South Asia. Do you know it produces thousands of seeds? After blooming, the palm produces large round of fruits that take about a year to ripen before the tree dies. A tree that waits a lifetime to bloom, only to die after its grandest moment. Nature never ceases to amaze us. Would you want to witness this rare bloom in person? Let me know in the comments. So my dear friends, if you loved discovering nature's most extraordinary wonders, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned. And thank you all for watching. Bye bye. Take care.